Yung octopus. Yung fish ulit. Yung turtle. Yung ano pa?
Like a lion.
A lion.
It makes roar.
Ang muling. Elephant.
Mm.
One more. Elephant. Yung tiger. The alligator.
It makes snapping.
Okay. Galing. How about the bird? Yung chicken.
Bak,
Eh?
bak, bak, bak.
Ay, galing. Yung... Ano pa? Dali, ano pa? Yung worm.
It makes bouncy.
Ganun ba yung worm? Yung duck.
How about the duck?
Quack, 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 quack.
How about the sheep?
Quack, quack,
Sheep or goat?
quack, quack.
How about the sheep?
Bleh.
Yung...
Bleh.
Yung kangaroo. Yung kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Yung giraffe.
It's a long giraffe, very tall.
Yung... Ano nga yun?
Lion.
Nagawa niya na yun.
How about a
How about
hippopotamus?
pigs?
Pig.
How about a hippopotamus?
It makes snapping.
Snapping din.
Snapping din.
Or a nose, or an eyes. Is seeing.
Yung monkey.
Monkey. Dali ko. Go. Action, in action. Show us how in action.
Sikat na lang na bahay ko. Ay, yung ano lang. Yung days. Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Sunday.
Tama. Sunday na uning.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yung January. Yung January naman.
Okay.
January.
January.